somewhat around 2,000 kgs of bronze statue is there. We'll speak to the concerned person and take the idea from him. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, very good.
What do you think of this right now? There's a huge celebration kind of things going on for the statue inauguration. What do you have to say?
Today is a very big day, very good day, because NTR 103 birthday is total all over India and two states of Telugu peoples enjoy that today. It's a very big day. Today is CM Revanth Reddy sir, very legendary person. Because 2 months back is promised the elections. Today is inauguration the NTR statue. I am very happy. I am very happy too.
NTR is a person, a kind of legend. He have proved himself in a television as well as in a political background also.
Yes.
What do you have to say on?
Very interested person NTR is. Two states before, all our Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister and political and cine hero. I interest to NTR.
But he was a solo person who have, apart from Congress, who have built one of his own party, and he situated his own party and he stood all alone and took it to the national level. What do you have to say about it?
His old is old. Today is every day.
Right.
Political is every day change the history.
And the policies which he have bought were still being continued by the party leaders, other party leaders also. What do you have to say? I mean to say, he have a broad conception in the party of political authority. What do you have to say about it?
Policies is same repeat. Is before is NTR 2 rupees rice. Today is also rice. Same policies are repeated. Is a good person is NTR. I like.
So,
thank you.
When we speak about his politics, why not the Telugu film industry? How do you take him as a film hero?
Yes, film hero. Film hero, everybody is I know. Film hero. Okay.
What is the best movie you have watched of N.T. Ramarao garu?
Major Chandrakant.
Major Chandrakant. You like it?
Yeah, I like it, Major Chandrakant.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So this was it. People are not only the fans of the N.T. Ramarao as a politician, but then they are even a film background. He have huge film background. He was a legend kind of hero over there in Telugu film industry. He have proved himself in Telugu film industry as well, and he earned the hearts of the people all around Andhra Pradesh and Telangana by the policies he have brought in as a politician and as a party leader. He won hearts of the common man as
who all the dignitaries are arrived at the program, and what is the reaction from them?
for the first time in this nation, and people have earned lot of beneficiaries by the means of N.T. Ramarao. Let us see the situation all around, how people are gathered and what are the situations all together. People are very happy to find N.T. Ramarao all again, although it was his 108th birthday. 108th birthday celebration. We'll speak to them and we'll see what are the celebrations they are expecting right now. So, on behalf of N.T. Ramarao's 108th birthday,
103.
103, and there is a huge idol is being inaugurated. How do you feel, and what is the situation right now here?
Okay. There is a promise made by Mr. CM Revanth Reddy garu during bypolls, Jubilees bypolls, that they are going to put a statue here. So within a year, I think he made it happen, and the statue at Maitreyanam Chaurasta they are going to inaugurate today. So for this, we all feeling proud, being a Telugu people, being Telugu state people, we are all feeling proud.
Okay. As a politician, how do you take now N.T. Ramarao, because he is the one who bought 2 rupees rice, and he is the one who bought women's rice first time in India, and the still policies are been still copied by other party members. We can understand what kind of broad prospectus he must be having at that time, and we are still continuing with that policy. What do you
Yeah, before politician, he is a great film actor. So he acted so many films, and he acted as Rama, he acted as Krishna. So we all see, when we close our eyes, we don't see NTR, we see God only. And after that, he came into the politics, and within a short span of 9 months' time, he got a state as a CM, and then he made many policies which promises made to happen, like 2 kgs rice and Janata Vastra, all this he given. Then after, people who elected as CM, they followed the NTR policies and all. So with that only, both the states now became the popular in the India.
Do you think every politician need to take him as a role model, or how do they?
200%. So everybody, total 30 states, right? People, NTR, whatever the policy he applied in the states, right? They are copying, and no, they are getting. Okay.
Okay, Manju, NTR belongs to the entire Telugu community. What are the people saying about placing his statue right here at one of the busiest junctions in Hyderabad?
Theatre is going to open. How do you feel?
We are waiting for the situation. We are waiting to see CM to inaugurate the statue. So we are waiting for it.
Right, absolutely. Everyone's waiting for the statue to be unrevealed, and we are waiting to see the glimpse of the statue, and we're all waiting to see. We are still waiting for the CM to come and inaugurate the statue. Let's see the venue, and we'll have an idea. So people are still waiting and eagerly looking forward to see the statue, and they are all waiting for the politicians and the people inaugurated, and the party leaders come down and inaugurate the statue, and they all want to have a glimpse where they have seen his movies, they have seen him ruling the nation, so they still want him. They want their rules to be carried on all again, and people are here.
Manju, NTR belongs to the entire Telugu community. What are the people saying about placing his statue right here at one of the busiest junctions in Hyderabad?
And
తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ముఖ్యమంత్రి గౌరవనీయులు రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారి తన కమలాలను
Good evening.
what do you have to say about the situation? And the people are eagerly waiting to see the statue of N.T. Rama Rao, who's been ruled by Telugu Desam Party. And how do you rely them? How do you take him as a role model? మీరు మాట్లాడండి.
This is late ముఖ్యమంత్రి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ డాక్టర్ పద్మశ్రీ ఎన్టీ రామారావు గారి యొక్క 103వ జయంతి సందర్భంలో హైదరాబాద్ పట్టణంలో అమీర్పేట చౌరస్తాలో ఆయన స్టాచ్యూ పెట్టడం చాలా గొప్ప విషయం. ఎందుకంటే నోబడీ ఫర్గెట్స్ హిస్ సర్వీస్ తెలుగు స్టేట్, తెలుగు పీపుల్, బికాస్ బిఫోర్ ద ఎన్టీఆర్ ఈ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ట్రీటెడ్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్, ఎంటైర్ తెలుగు పీపుల్ ట్రీటెడ్ యాజ్ తమిళ పీపుల్. But N.T. Ramarao is given big slogan, Telugu slogan, and he started Telugu Desam Party. Within 9 months, government formed, highest majority. So here Hyderabad development, and also almost 2 rupees rice, పక్కా ఇళ్ల పథకం, ఎంత చీరలు, nobody forgets his and also pension, especially now the Andhra Pradesh government or anybody in the India, any state giving elders pension means N.T. Ramarao introduction only. So In Hyderabad, nobody forgets about the N.T. Rama's work. So that's why today,
In fact, he was the first person, apart from Congress party, build a foundation of a new government with a build-up.
nobody before the late N.T.R. Almost all the Congress or government formed, but within 9 months, N.T. Ramarao toured entire Telugu state, and he started and explained all his views. So then formed the government with the highest majority. So people never forget about entire Telugu state, even Andhra or Telangana. So even though your government is Congress, and especially our CM Revanth Reddy or anybody, even Chandrasekhar Rao, even TRS, almost all the people who are in political line, even the retired persons, everybody under is training only, Telugudesam training only under N.T. Ramarao Gari training classes only. They developed political life and development of political not only place. That's why they never forget. Even though at present the government not is here, Telugudesam party, but due to so many reasons, but still we never forget about NTR's name. That's why today, now one of the main place of the Hyderabad, they are erecting N.T. Ramarao statue. We are very happy. I am also one of the founder of the Karimnagar district. Then Muthasani Damodar Reddy.
It's amazing to know that after he have won over 3 times as NTR have won over 3 times as a chief minister in the Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and he took over Telugudesam party all over on his shoulders, all alone. How do you have to feel about
That's why, see, that's why whatever the NTR has given, all the schemes, they never forget 2 states. That's why continuing Telugudesam.
even the schemes are being
1982 started. Still nobody forgets. That's why Andhra also thumping majority they are running and successfully. Following leader Nara Chandrababu Naidu, Hyderabad development also, and now Amravati development, even Telugudesam only. Entire India recognized Telugudesam, N.T. Ramarao's. That's why today is inaugurating NTR statue. So happy we are.
Thank you very much. There are so many people who are gathering all around, and let's see, we'll speak to some other and come to know about it. 1 minute. Hello, madam.
Hi.
How do you feel about the situation? There's more like a festival situation.
Yeah, it is.
What do you have to say?
తెలుగు వాళ్ళ ఆత్మ గౌరవానికి ప్రతీక ఎన్టీఆర్ గారు. ఆడపిల్లలకి ఆడపిల్లలకి సమాన ఆస్తి హక్కు ఇచ్చింది ఎన్టీఆర్ గారు. ఆయన తెలుగువారి జాతి గౌరవం. అలాంటి వారి విగ్రహం పెట్టడం అమీర్పేట నడిపొట్టున మాకందరికి ఎంతో గర్వకారణం. ఆడవాళ్ళకి విద్య బుద్ధి ఉండాలని, వాళ్ళు పైకి రావాలని, ఆత్మాభిమానంతో జీవించాలని ఎంతో గొప్ప విజనరీ అన్నమాట. కాబట్టి మేము దీన్ని ఒక ఫెస్టివల్ గానే భావిస్తున్నాం.
Usually film stars are not proven as a politician, but he proved himself as a politician as well. He won over all the hearts of the Telugu industry people as a hero as well as a politician. What do you have to say about it?
ఆయన తెలుగు వారికి రాముడు కృష్ణుడు అలా భగవంతుడు అన్నమాట. వాళ్ళకి చేయవలసిన మంచి అంతా చేశారు. మన తెలుగు ప్రభుత్వాలని ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఏర్పాటు చేసుకోవాలనే ఒక సావరెంటీ అంటారనమాట. అంటే మనం మొత్తం పెత్తనము ఢిల్లీ వాళ్ళ చేతిలో కాకుండా మన దగ్గర ఉండాలని చాటి చెప్పిందే ఎన్టీఆర్ గారు. మేము ఆయన విగ్రహాన్ని పెట్టడాన్ని స్వాగతిస్తున్నాం, గౌరవిస్తున్నాం, ఆనందిస్తున్నాం, గర్వపడుతున్నాం, సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం.
Exactly, he is the one who have given us an individuality as a Telugu person, and he is the one who has brought us a limelight of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh.
అవునండి, తెలుగువాడు అన్నారు కానీ ఆంధ్రాన తెలంగాణ అని అనలేదు. తెలుగువాడు ఎక్కడున్నా భాష పరంగా ఒకటే. వాళ్ళు ఖచ్చితంగా ఆ తెలుగు జాతి గౌరవాన్ని దశ దిశలా నాలుగు వైపులా ఎగరేస్తారు. తప్పకుండా ఇది మన ఆత్మగౌరవం. ఈ స్టాచ్యూ పెట్టడం అనేది మేము ఎంతో సంబరంగా జరుపుకుంటున్నాం.
మీరు ఈ జనరేషన్ పొలిటీషియన్స్ కి ఏ మెసేజ్ ఇవ్వాలి? వాట్ యు హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ స్మాల్ మెసేజ్ టు దిస్ జనరేషన్, నెక్స్ట్ జనరేషన్, బికాస్ హిస్ స్కీమ్స్ ఆర్ yet still to be followed by still going politicians. What do you have to say to them?
స్కీములు పెట్టడం గొప్ప కాదండి, ఆచరించడం గొప్ప. 2 రూపాయలకి బియ్యం పథకం అనేది ఎప్పుడూ లేదు. పేదవాడి ఆకలిని గుర్తించి ఆయన కడుపు నింపిన గొప్ప దేవుడేనండి. ప్రోగ్రాములు పెట్టడం కాదు, ఆచరించడం గొప్ప. అవన్నీ ఆచరించిన మహానుభావుడు, మహనీయుడు. అలాంటి వాడు మళ్ళీ పుట్టడం అనేది బహుశా జరగకపోవచ్చు. మా జన్మలో మేము చూడగలిగాం కనుక మేము ఇది చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాం.
As you can see, people think that he is an incarnation of God, or he is the one who brought number of schemes where nobody have introduced. He is the one who have thought of a common person. He is the one who thought there are people who are need to have a tummy full food, which they have provided with the 2 rupees of rice. Let's speak to him and we'll know further things. What do you have to say about N.T. Ramarao garu? He is legendary in his movies as well as a politician. What do you have to say about him?
Actually, I was the favorite of Mr. N.T. Ramarao garu since 50 years. From my childhood, I was worshipping him. I was strong favorite of him, and I used to see his all movies from my childhood. Still I used to see his old movies. I prefer to see these old movies only rather than the new movies. He is the only person who is to be worshipped as a cinema actor. Nobody is like him.
Do you really think he is a hero in film as well as politics? Is he a hero? Is he a hero in films as well as politics?
Of course, Jayalalitha was the contemporary heroine to him. She was a chief minister. That is also we are very much happy.
So as you can see, there's a huge sound, huge celebrations are going on behind me. Yes, N.T. Ramarao songs have been played background, and people are really happy to see that. We're all happy. In fact, we are eagerly waiting for the curtain to be removed and see his statue. We are eagerly waiting for the moment right now. And we'll see. You can see the situation over here, and the situation is wonderful. People, there's are eagerly waiting for everyone to see this situation. How people are going to happen happy? What are the things going to happen? The inauguration is going to be around 6:45 in the evening, so there's no much time. People are gathering here, and